I'm dancing.
You're dancing?
It's happy time.
Well, you scared Mr. Frank in there. He's frying. He hit the little alarm bell under the register there.
Oh, it's probably because his pants say he's happy.
Right, right. Well, I mean, if you don't mind, miss, would you just come out the front door here and we can,
Can we
if everything...
dance?
I mean, if everything's A-okay and clear, yeah, we can dance.
Let's dance. Happy, hi.
Paterno, you back there?
Who? My name's Gibzy.
Yeah.
She done come out the front here. You can come out front.
My arms hurt really bad, otherwise I would wave.
That's fine, miss. Just for my safety and your safety and for Mr. Frank's sanity over there, I'm just gonna have to pat you down really quick, and once we do that, we can maybe have a dance or something.
Let's
if everything's
dance.
okay. All right, would you just mind facing the glass there, or the store rather, for me? Just good to pat you down here.
Okay. Oh, my butt. You had to pay to touch my butt, though, okay?
Undershirt,
Yeah.
Paterno, and what up here?
Hi. You look happy.
Oh, what's this money you got in here?
He said he would loan me some money until the bank's opened over there so I could buy a horsey.
He said he would loan you money.
Yes.
What? Why did he hit the bell then?
Because look at his pants. His pants in there show he's... Oh, there we go. They show him happy. Did you see his happy pants?
Hey, Pete, did you say anything about lending money to her?
The happy pants. You don't have happy pants, though. It's okay. Sometimes people can't get happy pants.
What's happy pants, miss?
Happy pants. Usually, I have to... Hold on, I can take off your belt and I'll show you happy pants.
No. There's no need for that, man. No.
Don't you want happy pants?
Not right now, man. It's all right.
Okay. Are you happy though? You don't seem happy.
Did he say anything about lending her money?
Oh.
Happy pants. Yeah, he loaned me money until the bank's open so I could buy my horsey.
That Pete is all frightened and shaken up there.
He's not frightened. Did you see his happy pants? Oh, look. Look, he's starting to get happy pants. He's so happy. Oh my, he's so happy pants.
Oh, Jesus Christ. He had a tear in his eyes too. I don't know what you did to him in there.
Happy pants.
Did you perhaps, do something to him?
Do you want me to show him? Do you want me to show you?
Yeah, show me what you did to him.
Okay. Happy again. They're gonna let me do happy time.
What did you do to Pete? He's all tearing up here.
Happy time. If you want
to... that kind of happy time. Oh, Christ.
You told me to finish the happy time.
No, come over here. You know he has wife and kids. Jesus Christ.
He asked. He said he would give me the money for a horsey until the bank's open if we do happy.
That's sexual harassment there.
He did that. He said that. He said that he would pay for my horsey for happy time.
He's crying even now. Okay,
I don't know. Those might be tears of joy, though. I don't know.
Is it because his wife's seen us?
I'll take care of Pete. You just take care of her.
The wife?
Jesus Christ.
Is that the wife that just went upstairs? Oh, does wife mean mommy?
Alright, Pete, these are fine. It's fine.
Is that wife?
I think that might have been his wife, yep.
And that's why he cried?
I don't think that's why he's crying, but
Isn't no happy? He said be happy for Horsey.
What's your name is?
Gibzy.
Gypsy.
Gibzy.
Gibzy.
Gibzy. Happy.
Gibzy.
Happy.
Gibzy happy?
Happy times. Yes, you have to be happy.
What's your last name?
I don't know what you mean.
Okay, so your name is only Gibzy?
Yes.
Okay.
well,
You're gonna...
I mean,
She
if
she
he
had
gave
money on
her, yeah, I mean, he gave her some money. I mean, if he gave her some money for services, there's not much we can do about that, you know.
Well, I mean, he did press the alarm button for... I mean, did you think he got that happy?
With
I
happy
mean,
pants.
you ever been with a woman and you accidentally do something you didn't mean to?
Nope.
Is he not happy?
Like hit your head on the bed or something?
The happy
Nope.
pants? Happy pants poke. Oh, look. Oh, poke. Poke. Poke happy. Is that happy?
I mean, I'll.
Happy pants right there.
Did you
Look.
just...
You
what
have
are you
happy
trying...
pants.
What are you
Look,
touching?
that's happy pants, right? Yes? Yes?
I
Is that happy pants?
I probably wouldn't go around touching men there, miss. That could lead
Aw.
to a lot of bad things and whatnot
Oh,
if they're not.
no.
Yeah.
Oh, not happy. Oh, you're not happy? Oh, it's not happy.
Maybe we should, if you want, you two can go in the elevator if you want, or cooks. It's
In the
it's fine
what?
for me. In the elevator here, you know.
No,
it's fine. It's fine. You know,
Yeah,
it's
happy?
all right. I'll just, go back to the sheriff's office here, and you know, you do your thing.
Any of you guys want a drink? Come on over.
Well, just wait right.
I
Just wait right.
go to-
Right.
I actually
What?
take a drink here. Have fun, cooks.
Oh, hold on, under sheriff.
Happy?
Alright, let's get the drink here.
Good morning.
I mean, I guess if he gave you money for your services, miss, that's fine then.
The happy time.
Yeah, but the happy time.
Very happy. Do you want happy time?
And
Morning to you.
oh, excuse me. Oh. Anyways, I'm gonna wander over to that saloon over there. You're more than welcome to walk
Well-
over, miss.
Well, wait. Well, see, I was needing to go to the log town.
To the where?
The log town. They built all their places with trees.
Oh, okay. Well, if you need to head there, you need to head there.
I don't have no horse. You took my money.
I didn't take no money off of you. The money's still on you. If Pete gave you that money, then Pete gave you that money. I mean, I can't, you know.
I asked the stable. They won't take it. And the banks won't open.
Bank's closed.
Yes.
Oh, damn bankers on sharking you. God damn it.
Money?
Nope.
Oh. Well. Money there? Money there?
There's money back here. Where?
People keep complaining about the smallest thing without ever doing nothing about it.
That's how things go sometimes.
I don't see no money back here.
Right there, see? See?
Down here. Oh.
Oh, happy time. You want happy time? It's okay. I won't tell.
Nope.
Happy time.
Nope. Nope. What are you doing?
You say happy time money here.
No.
That's what you said.
No happy time money. No, I don't want no
Yes,
miss.
you have to happy time money. You have to.
No.
Yes, you said happy time money. You
Ain't
have
nothing,
to.
Ain't nothing even happened,
I
miss.
pinch butt. That's happy time money. That's $2.
Miss, you pinched my butt. I didn't ask for that.
You said happy time.
I didn't ask for that, miss.
You said happy time.
Oh, well, you said there's some money back here or something.
You
so
said
I can't...
happy time. And I said happy time for money. And then you went this way. So happy time for money. I need my money.
I ain't got no.
Happy time.
No.
Happy time.
Ain't nothing even happened, miss. So what would I give you money for?
Happy time. You said happy time money. And then you wanted me to pinch your butt.
I
And then
didn't.
happy time. And then I took your butt off.
I ain't say nothing about no happy time. You just said there's money back here.
I said happy time for money. And then you came this way. Where I said happy time money.
I don't know about all that, miss. That's no. $2.
You said happy time money.
No, no. You said there's money back here, and I walked back here to see if there was money or something. And
There was happy time money.
then you pinched my butt.
Are you done?
Happy time.
I mean, whoever's back there yelling about happy time money, looks like it's you there, fella in the pink hat. We hear you all the way down the bush hollering that, at least your side of it.
It's this side.
You done?
There's,
my money.
there's, miss, I ain't got. There nothing even happened. I ain't got no
Yes.
money.
That's what you said.
You alright? Good. You good cooks?
No. He said I said happy time money. And he said okay. And then he came down here. And then I pinched his butt. And now he won't pay me $2.
Wait. You want the money for that? Thought you did it for free.
No, it's happy time. Happy time
Yeah.
not free.
Happy time is free.
No, happy time not free.
Well, happy time in the eastern district is always free.
That's no.
Yeah.
No.
That's exactly. You go to a
Happy
saloon, you
time
say.
not free. No.
Of course, yes, it is.
No.
I think you just confused the deputy there.
No. Happy time for money.
For
And-
what?
and- and
For
he-
what? For what?
and
For
He
mommy?
didn't do. No.
Yeah,
He's
Kim.
bad, man.
Yep.
So cooks, did you get your thingy all good there or what?
Oh, wow.
Nothing even happened. She's asking me for money.
No. Happy time money.
She pinched my butt
I
when I walked back here because she said
I mean,
I didn't
You-
ask.
you didn't take. I mean, you didn't take her to the sheriff's office and you were in the alleyway.
Nothing even happened. She said there was some money back here or something. I came to look,
So happy time money.
and then when I was walking back here and as I was bending down, she pinched my butt. Now she wants money for pinching my butt.
Miss, are you? He can take you in for sexual harassment there. Maybe you continue this.
Happy time money.
You want to continue this, miss?
The happy time?
My husband is so.
Yeah.
Do you want more happy time for money?
Oh no, I don't want no happy time.
And the
miss.
happy time for money?
That day.
Boop. Boop.
I don't-
He said, "Okay, go." The boop.
I don't. I don't
See,
want-
he likes happy time. Look how happy he is. Happy time, boop. See, he likes happy time.
Well, seems like it.
He does.
You're not
He
saying
like
no.
happy time. Hi.
And the reason why you're not saying
Exactly.
no there, cooks?
I'm sorry. What did you say, other sheriff?
It's more money for him to watch.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Undersheriff,
mind where
is
you're
there
going.
something going on over there?
What? Is it happy
Yeah.
time? Look, she's
I-
waiting for happy time too.
Are you
See, I
ready here, cooks? I mean,
Is there something going on across the street?
No.
No, see? Happy time. And look, there's a happy time too.
Yeah, she's
See?
bending over for you. Yeah, looks like it.
See, happy
This-
time. This happy time. This is happy time money place.
Nothing even happened. Again,
It's a
nothing.
happy time. Those are poop.
All right. I mean, I will wait for you in the sheriff's office when you wanna do patrolling. You know, don't take too long, I guess.
What does that mean? What?
Ooh, happy time.
Uy, qué tarde.
Oh, look at the time. I got.
Is it happy time?
I gotta go,
The
miss.
happy time?
I gotta go.
The
Gotta go.
happy.
No,
The happy time?
no happy time. No,
Okay,
no.
pay. You
no
got
ha-
finished pay. I made you happy. It's a pay.
I don't. Nothing even happened, miss.
I made you happy time. You have to pay for happy time.
Nothing even happened, miss.
You have to pay for happy time.
What happened? And what's a happy time? What?
You have to pay. You pay, I make you happy. You have to pay for happy time. You have to pay. Pay.
I don't, miss. I nothing even happened
I
between
made
us.
you happy time. The happy. 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 You made me happy. Is that happy? Happy. Happy. That makes you happy. So you pay for happy
Jesus.
time.
Anything?
You took her over here.
N-
God damn it!
Yes,
Could-
you
could
did pay
you
for
do
happy
it
she's
time.
early?
she's following me, asking me for money.
You pay happy
Well,
time.
I mean, you are a lawman. Jesus.
Is it pay?
Is she holding a coffee in her hand?
Yeah, I mean she has been, but
What?
So, Miss,
Okay.
I'm sorry, but are you gonna do anything with her, or she's done, or what?
Is it pay?
yeah, I'm trying to go on patrol, but she
Is it
followed me
paid?
here.
All right, Miss.
He didn't pay.
Well, unfortunately, you know what? Actually, there is your money is at the bar in the saloon.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Can you write?
All right, stranger.
Do you have paper?
You don't give me space, you'll be sorry.
No, use words.
The hell's your problem,
Can you
huh?
write words? These are words.
I'll knock your head.
Ow! Ow! No! That's not happy! Stop! Ah! Ow!
Damn it! One good shot, you're dead.
Oh, Jesus.
Ooh.
Good job.
Ooh.
Is you okay?
Ouch! Ow! I just asked him if he could spell on paper. He made me not happy.
It's fine, Miss. You know, we'll take care of
This
him.
definitely don't
And then
concern
he
me.
came and he
Maybe-
said that, oh.
Maybe you should go to the doctor's office there and see that
I just want to write paper.
paper. You need paper.
I can't write paper.
Oh, you want something to write paper? Write what?
I want to look for the person. They told me at the saloon to get a person to make him pay.
Oh,
It's to get the paper to write.
Alright, well, it might be better just to talk to him in person, because he wouldn't know who you are, right?
I know. they said there's a card there, and I can't read card, and I'm supposed to put the paper by the card.
All right, well, I'm just gonna clock out here, but I believe he actually has his money on him. He has money on him, so he can just pay you right now if you want.
My hat.
Money for what? Nothing happened. Jesus Christ! What?
Crooks, like, I mean, you can't just scam a lady on her.
What do you mean scam? What? Nothing happened. What?
No. I mean, you went to the alleyway and you stayed in the alleyway for quite some time. You even sat down for a while. So I mean, you it will stay between us. I won't say anything. But if she starts talking, Jesus Christ, Crooks. You know what I'm saying? You better just to pay her.
No, this is blackmail. I'm not paying someone for something that never happened.
I mean, it's quite obvious what happened.
Nothing happened. You mean it's obvious what?
I just want to write the paper.
Maybe you could give her some, dollars so she could write on them.
I can give her paper and a pen.
Oh, there you go. There you go. This is the start.
But I'm not giving her no money because nothing happened.
All right.
There's paper.
How to miss? I got a pen and paper for you.
You write the card.
Write the card.
Yeah, there's a card. There's a card right there. And it says if you need something, you write the card, and I can't write. I just want to write.
I can write down on paper. What do you want me to write?
I need the person to help me. The person. The tinny. The tinny.
The tinny?
Yeah, the tinny. They help you do things.
You mean a lawyer?
Is that a tinny?
Or an attorney or something like that?
A tinny. He's being happy timing by himself. I'm your tinny.
Yeah, I mean, I can put something out for you if you need looking for an attorney. Eddie, where do you want the attorney to meet you?
It's a here. I don't have no horsey.
You want him to meet you at, or them at, to meet you at the saloon house over there?
Okay.
Alright. Oh, what's your full name, miss?
Gibzy.
Just Gibzy?
Gibzy.
Alright, I'll go ahead and stick it up on the the notice board there, and somebody will come through and take it out for you as well.
Oh, you're so nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's a happy time.
No, no, miss, no happy times. Jesus Christ, no.
Oh.
Oh.
Hello.
All right, I told them to look for you over there at the saloon in Blackwater.
Is that what happy? You know happy? It's a happy time.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Oh, look at you.
All right, I got.
You make Gibzy happy.
I gotta go.
Yes,
Oh,
you do. You make Gibzy all happy. Hi.
oh, I gotta go, miss.
Oh, I see you, happy time.
Oh, howdy, Undersheriff. Still here?